Set clear goals. Imagine studying as a quest, and you're the hero. Your goal is to conquer the subject. Before you start, set clear goals. What do you want to learn or achieve in this study session? 2. Find a comfy spot. Choose a cozy and quiet place to study. Think of it as your secret study hideout. 3. Break it down. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Break your study material into smaller chunks, like puzzle pieces. 4. Get organized. Arrange your study materials neatly. It's like organizing your superhero gear. You wouldn't want to lose your superpowers. 5. Use colorful notes. Take notes with different colors. It's like making your study notes a colorful treasure map. It's more fun and helps you remember things. 6. Teach a friend. Pretend you're a teacher and explain what you're learning to a stuffed animal, a family member, or a friend. This helps you understand the topic better. 7. Take breaks. Even superheroes need breaks. After 25-30 minutes of studying, take a 5-10 minute break. You can use that time to stretch, have a snack, or play a quick game. 8. Stay hydrated and snack smart. Keep a glass of water and healthy snacks nearby. Your brain needs fuel, just like superheroes need their energy. 9. Use flashcards. Create flashcards with questions on one side and answers on the other. It's like making your own set of superpower cards. 10. Practice, practice, practice. Like a hero. Training for a big battle, practice what you've learned through exercises or problems. 11. Stay positive. Believe in yourself. Tell yourself you can do it, just like a hero knows they can save the day. 12. Celebrate your wins. When you finish studying or ace a test, celebrate. Treat yourself like a hero who just saved the world. 13. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Even superheroes practice every day to get better. Stick to your study routine. 14. Use online resources. Sometimes you can find interactive online tools or videos that make learning fun. 15. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you're stuck. Heroes have sidekicks, and you can have teachers, parents, or friends who can help. Remember, studying is like training to become a superhero of knowledge. The more you practice, the stronger you become. So put on your imaginary cape, grab your study materials, and embark on your learning adventure.